Let's talk about how one of the world's most advanced fighter jets, worth over $100 million, ended up stranded at a civilian airport in Kerala, India. On June 14th, 2025, a British Royal Navy F-35B Lightning II, fresh off the deck of HMS Prince of Wales, suddenly found itself battling more than just imaginary enemies. Picture this: severe monsoon weather rolling in over the Arabian Sea, fuel levels dropping dangerously low, and then a critical hydraulic failure. That's basically the jet's version of losing its ability to stand up, let alone take off again, with no other options. The pilot radios a distress call, Squawk 7700, signaling an emergency to anyone listening. India's integrated air command and control system picks up the signal, and in a matter of minutes the stealth jet glides down to Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, smack in the middle of Kerala. Emergency landing successful, but now the real drama begins. This isn't just any jet. The F-35B is a single-seat supersonic short takeoff and vertical landing marvel, with radar cross-section so tiny it's often compared to a golf ball. It's packed with advanced stealth coatings, sensor fusion, electronic warfare tools, the works. It's the kind of hardware most nations only dream about. And now it's parked in a VIP bay at a busy civilian airport, guarded around the clock by British personnel and local security. The technical side, not so glamorous. The jet's hydraulic system is out of commission, which means it's grounded, literally. First, the carrier crew and a small engineering team tried to fix it. No luck. So the UK rushed in a 40-member technical squad from halfway across the world, armed with every tool imaginable, hoping to get this bird flying again. But here's the twist: if they can't fix the hydraulic issue on the spot, the next step is to partially dismantle the F-35B and fly it home inside a massive C-17 Globemaster cargo plane. For a jet built to dominate the skies, that's like hitching a ride home in a moving van. Meanwhile, the incident has turned into a bit of a media circus. Indian news outlets are covering every twist and turn. Social media, well, it's wild. There are memes, jokes, even a mock Aadhaar card for the jet. Kerala Tourism jumped in, joking the jet doesn't want to leave. And local authorities are seriously considering charging the UK a parking fee, because why not? But beneath the humour, there are real concerns. Parking a highly classified stealth fighter in a non-NATO country raises plenty of security eyebrows. The UK is keeping a tight lid on access, and the Indians have been nothing but cooperative, offering support but steering clear of the sensitive tech. So, what does this all mean? Deploying super advanced jets halfway around the world is awesome, until something breaks. Then it's all about technical headaches, diplomatic dance moves, and sometimes a viral moment on social media. If you found this story wild, hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more stories from the edge of technology and geopolitics.